So here we are in Ptfs Brazilian server, but I want to test not a plane, not a car, a random thing. Yeah. What the heck is that? That's not a plane, not a car. So, what design? Now, my language are in English for you guys understand the changes, but what the heck? Let's go. What the heck is this action? Peaceful water song. Let's go test the power. I don't know if you are very fast. Bom, eu não tive. What the? Oh, it's super fast. Not trying to think it is. Oh, let's go land. First, I want to test one thing. First, we're going to made a bit of land. What the hell? Bro, land. Okay. Haze landing every place. Whatever. Let's go to a butter land. Brazilian chat. I don't understand anything. Probably if you don't have Brazilian. Okay, let's go make a butter. But if you being crazy is going to the comments saying the speed of cheese, relax. I go test the speed of that. Nice. I think it's fast. Let's go make a butter remaining, but not fast. It's just old Ptfs plant. Let's go test the speed. Fly to orange. No. Okay. Oh, it's super fast. I think it's not bit better. Concorde, a fighter jet, not a Steph 747, but no. I'll tell my opinion. Chase is super fast. This do a luck, I'm being crazy. But TV, what the plan is this? AB2. Oh my god, it's doing drifts into YouTube. Oh, it's going crazy to pilot this. Wow. Okay. Superfly. Couch on. Oh my god. Hey. Oh, low. What the heck's the RAM 2? I don't even know how to see the speed of this. I'm Brazilian. I don't know what is knocked, mas I know. But I know this is the speed. super fast. Oh, it's going drift there. Oh my, you see? It literally doing drifts. Yeah. Oh, let's go to 4. I don't know, I'm very bad at English, but look at the speed. Let's go fly to Ptfs. Okay, find. Smart chance to test descent. Of 5,000 knocks, I think is the word. Oh my god. Please leave a like and subscribe. My channel is saying I'm failing this video. No, I just make videos for funny, like no everybody know go to watch this video because it's not short. Nobody will click and choose this video to watch. And I don't know how's my English, but my language is very strange, I think. Look the map. Look the map. Oh my, look at this map. Super fast. Look. No. Let's see how to make a fiber here. Oh, remember the beat bomb in this. Oh, the sneeze of the video. I back and he's take off him. I made an entire flight and look how fast it is. No, let's go make just one thing. Yeah. Just fly. Oh, look. Bro, this thing is from a creepypasta? Well, já tinha crazy? Não. Please reach the no, I'm going to listen. Let's go listen very fast. Look at this map. Spin, spin, and spin. We are now going to Great Rockford. Let's go Major Land. Wait, I don't have a webcam. It's crazy. Let's go turn on camera lock. Thanks for information. Oh my god. Oh. Let's go restart. Let's go. See other random thing I buy. It's not fast. Blimps. Wolves. At final I go make a little plain spotting. The game is saying is an helicopter. Antonov. Culture. He can't go vertical, low. And we can't enter in store. I think. Butter. Butterland and now plain spotting for no reason. I don't know what to say. Look here. Let's go major Formula 1 with Antonov. Formula 1 with Antonov. Let's go. Bro, I move fast into Antonov. No, I'm losing. Never sings bad. Sing. Bad. Oh my god, TB2. Nah, I know. What the heck is this doing? No. Let me enter. No. You're not will crash the plane. Oh, this guy will end the video.